Please make dua for me. I'm literally dying. I'm not getting any better, and every day I wake up feeling worse than the day before. Salam guys, welcome to this week's vlog. I'm extremely sick still. So if you saw last week's vlog, you'll remember that at the end I was dying. I got the stomach flu in Michigan, and I like woke up the day after New Year's, and I like at the time that we were supposed to get on the plane, I woke up, I like ran to the bathroom, and things ensued, and basically I was shaking on the bathroom floor in a nutshell. My stomach flu like would not go away, and now I just woke up and I have like, I'm either getting the real flu or I have a cold, but it's just not going away, and I'm not feeling better, and I'm like, I have so much to do, and it's the top of the year, so there's so much with the business, but I'm just not feeling good. We got a TV, guys. We
finally did it.
It's crazy. Yeah. How did this even happen?
We just got sick of not having a TV and wanted to make this into like a proper home and got a TV, but we didn't want to just get like any TV. We wanted to get like a TV that also has like a nice kind of aesthetic feel to it. Turn it on. Okay. So this is called the frame TV, where it looks like a frame. See the frame? Are you excited? It's nice that we finally have a TV, yeah.
By the way, I got my hair done in Michigan, I think you can tell. So my lady got pregnant and she left. Oh my god, it's so bad. It's so bad. I need to find a new woman. If you guys have any recommendations for people who can do hair in the city, in New York, where they have a private room, please let me know. Because I can't go back to my old place in Birmingham. I'm so sad about it too, because I was going there for 10 years, but then my lady left. Anyways, I'm gonna go take some medicine. I'm gonna take some Dayquil because I'm dying right now. Can you see? And Ahmed's gonna tinker around with this TV some more. It's exciting times in the Zidane El Turk household. Right, Ahmed?
Yep.
What's up, guys? We're just laughing at me. I'm still sick. This is the ugliest ever. This is the first time in my life I came to the office with no makeup on my face. Zero.
I think she looks beautiful. Don't let her tell you otherwise.
The only time I do this is when I travel. I like to wear makeup when I travel. They've seen me on the vlog, but the office has... Yeah, right? If the world can see me, the office can. I'm still self-conscious I'm wearing glasses. Mona's wearing our viscose for the first time.
I love it.
Really? Why?
That's because I'm normally a chiffon Georgette Jersey girl, literally, in more ways than one, because I'm from Jersey. And I tried this on for the first time this morning, and I love it. I just love the way it falls. It falls like almost the same way as the others do.
I was about to say, it looks just like your other hijabs.
Yeah. It falls like I tucked in the rest because it's pretty big, and that's it. It gives me coverage. Love it.
Ultraviolet viscose.
Oh,
yeah. Do we have a lot in stock still?
No.
Okay, then get it. Get it right now. Go get your viscose.
Now.
Hurry up.
I love it. Seriously, it's great.
Happy New Year, Salwa. Happy New Year. Stop. It's not a good skin day ever. Yeah, I agree. With me, not you.
It's okay.
How was your New Year?
My New Year was good. I decided to go out last minute just because I probably would have regretted just staying in. So I just did that, went to Princeton. It was fine.
That's nice.
But it was raining, so that was like a reason why I didn't want to go out. But I pushed myself. I'm working on designing a support group page.
Oh, what's this page about?
Basically, we're all a community, and as you said here in the copy, you'll see it. As Muslims, it's our duty to just help each other out. So if anyone needs support, or just need to talk to someone, a hijabi on the team is gonna contact or reach out to you and help you. also like highlight a few articles.
Awesome.
And that's basically it. It's just a short page just giving you guys information and that we're here if you need anything. There's also a disclaimer.
Oh, disclaimer. We are not therapists.
We're not therapists.
You guys' meeting is so loud. You guys need to have your meeting elsewhere. Actually, Mahmoud his voice is perfectly temperate. Ahmed is yelling so loud. The whole world can hear you. You're like that annoying dude over there. We need vlog content. You better give me something. I don't have time for this crap.
I literally have to go to a meeting right now. So, peace.
Mahmoud, give me something bigger than that. Ooh! Did you just leave? Mahmoud! That was good and better. Thanks for taking one for the team. Hi guys.
Hello. No, I have some weird news.
What?
I think I have your cold.
No. Did you wake up with a sore throat this morning?
I didn't sleep all night because I my nose, and now I'm sniffling and having a hard time. If only your face is on camera right now. Mel looks very afraid and sad and like guilt-ridden.
Yeah, because it's terrible.
Well, I definitely have some small.
Did you have a lump in your throat?
Yeah, I couldn't sleep because of the lump in my throat.
Oh my god, you totally got it.
Yeah.
I gave it to Ahmed.
It's not you, it's like everyone in the city has all the germs.
Yes.
It just happens. You can't avoid it.
That's not true. I avoided it for 2 years in New York. I didn't get sick.
These are the unglamorous moments when we're both sick and we still have to vlog, and it sucks so bad.
I know. It was
It's the worst.
God dang it, I have to vlog. I can't even smile. It hurts my face. You know this is day 8? Day 8 of my sickness.
I know. This is day 3 for me.
Day 8. I've been sick for 8 days straight. And now we're on our way to Dallas on top of it. I almost canceled this trip. I'm going to this Valley Ranch retreat on the weekend. And I was like, I'm terribly sick. I don't think I can make it. And then I felt so bad. You know, so many people are like looking forward to hearing me or whatever, that I just felt terrible canceling. So I like threw some stuff in a bag and we're on our way to the airport. I'm so sick, I'm worried about getting their whole family sick, and Ahmed's parents are older, and so like if I get them sick, it's terrible. And I'm not really taking care of myself either. It's the worst part. I haven't gone to the doctor. I'm not really taking medicine outside of NyQuil or DayQuil. So it's probably my fault.
Good morning, everyone. I kind of took Ahmed and Melanie's camera, and I don't think they know. I'm just gonna walk into the kitchen. My name's Omar, by the way. Okay.
I was showing Ahmed my snap.
Yeah, oh, that's cool.
It's still yellow.
Ew! Don't show that on the vlog.
My snot is still yellow.
We basically have been sick for, she's been sick for now 9 days. Yeah, that's what I've had to look at now for 9 straight days. Gross. Anyway, so we've had to do this.
Look, I've been quarantined. I'm only allowed to put my dirty tissues in this bag.
So disgusting.
There's like
So disgusting. So this is what I've had to deal with for 9 days. And I'm so over it at this point. And we haven't seen my family in like months. And we're hella sick. And it sucks, we can't enjoy it. So, thanks Melanie for getting me sick.
It's not my fault.
How's it not your fault?
He's so mean. Honestly, when Ahmed gets sick, he expects me to weigh on him hand and foot. And he's like, you have no rahmah for me when I get sick. Take care of me. Bleh. And then when I get sick, look at how he treats me. I'm sick of it. an Uber. He's not even paying attention to me. He's, what are you even doing in your life? You said it yourself. You haven't seen your family in so long. Why are you on the phone?
I still have work to do. Something you might want to learn something about.
No, I'm taking the day off. That's why I'm not getting any better because I'm still working.
That's true. We've been working even when we're sick and it
No,
sucks.
today I'm doing no work and I'm getting better.
Yeah. All right. So that's the end of the vlog. See you guys next week. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're not too disgusted.
Are you gonna show anybody Dallas, your family?
Yeah, on the next week's vlog. All right, so you'll have to tune in for that. Dallas is pretty dope. So, what are you doing?